Hey, game. Yay! I do something we can play the game. On the big game. You can fight a little bug.
We're gonna play us.
The TV.
Oh yeah. Thanks, Luke.
Because I don't want to see the bit. Because the guy was walking a pick the walking car.
You can pick it, Luke.
Okay.
You know how to control it?
Yes. But Howie.
Use this to look around.
Okay.
See?
The hills. That's one. Which one? The rocket car.
Which one? This one?
No.
No?
I want to pick the rocket car.
Which one?
Car.
This one?
Good car.
This one?
No, I want to rock us right there.
Where?
See?
Oh.
There.
You gotta look at it. There you go. Now you gotta look and you gotta go. So you wanna steer it now.
Try me. Try me.
Yeah, hold on. Hey, wait.
Wait for my turn.
Come on. It's okay. Oh man, we crashed. What do we do? It is Nino's turn.
I want to pick the blue boy.
Oh, stop.
Go straight. Don't go straight, okay? I want that one.
Which one? You gotta look at it, okay? Move the mouse. Which one?
I want it.
The red one?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh man, you gotta feed Levi. Levi's so hungry. You gotta feed him. Okay. We'll put pause, okay? Find it.
It's on next to the main truck.
Where?
Says number truck.
Thanks, Luke. All right, look, we found the tank.
See.
You want the tank?
Yes. One pick.
Here we go.
He looks like two
Oh, we didn't accidentally hit our dog. Did you see that?
Yes.
Oh, we knocked the whole thing down.
No down.
Oh, we did it.
Can try the Hulk
You
one.
try the Hulk one? Okay.
Can try the big Hulk.
Yeah.
No. Honey.
Oh, look at this.
This one.
Where?
That's one.
This one? This one.
Yes.
Oh. This thing is hard to drive. Oh. This is hard to drive, you guys.
It's too hard. Dad, you just don't have the decks. Kira.
I'm trying. That one is really hard to drive.
Kira, put it in the screen. I want to pick that.
Where?
The accelerator.
Okay.
Two. You pick the yellow and to this one. Huh? What's it?
That's Luke's turn.
It's my turn.
Yes, what do you want?
So, can I pick I want to pick the black truck.
Black truck where? Right here.
I think that's shooting. The black truck has shooting. There's a dog in a rope outside. Yeah.
What happened? Oh. Bottle. One, you know?
That one.
Where?
The blue one.
The blue one? This one?
Yeah.
Okay, we can't play because it's crying too much. Daddy's turn.
Daddy's turn. Daddy.
I want this one. Oh, it's not a laser.
Razor. Look at the switching. Switch's card.
Because Levi wants to play with us. Oh!
You that one. See.
Okay, hold on.
See that one.
Okay.
Wait,
Okay, it's Nino's turn.
huh?
It's Nino's turn. No.
Nino's turn, then which turn?
Yes. Nino, which one?
Which one? And you soda. Keep slamming. Who's slamming? The ball. My turn.
Yes, which one you want?
I want to. Gonna fix the TV truck.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. Only 20 games, you know.
Those are not cookies. Oh. Yes.
Neighbor's party once, Nino. I want the picture.
Oops.
The toy. Huh? I want the car. Neighbor, that.
This one?
Yeah. What's that?
An excavator.
It's not an excavator.
Oh, it's not?
Yeah. The gold is short.
Oh, we didn't break.
Oh yeah, we did.
Which one do you want?
No, can I pick this one black?
Black semi?
Yeah. What are you serving cars?
Ah!
What are you serving cars?
I don't know.
That's a gun?
There's a rocket launcher. Oh no.
The
You flipped it.
my turn.
No, it's still Luke's turn.
What is the blue turn?
You messed up, yeah. Which one do you want?
Taxi. Police car. It's Nino in the police car.
Missed.
My because what is this green over here? You can put the car down, please.
Yeah? Which one do you want?
Nina, what car do you want?
Green?
Yeah. Died. Just Darth Vader over here.
Darth Vader?
Yeah. Tomorrow we go with the Darth Vader. Yeah.
Oh, missed.
It's my turn.
Okay.
I want. Look at the ice cream truck. The ice cream truck.
Okay. Which one? Where?
Over there. There's the ice cream truck.
Where?
Right over there. Yeah.
That's not cookies.
Sorry.
It's pita bread.
Pita bread.
You want pita bread?
Yeah.
Which one?
I want the food truck.
This one?
Yes. I want the pita bread.
Yes, pita bread.
You bet.
Nino's turn.
No. Want to pick the motorcycle? Yeah. He wants to pick the motorcycle.
Motorcycle. That one's hard. Yeah.
We're gonna feel down, oh daddy.
It's so hard.
I think we may do this. Yep, I think we put the number 7 together for a real one motorcycle. A beautiful car, Nino. Looks like the blue car's not hard. Whoa!
Well, it crashed.
Sniper! No, sweet, listen. There we go. Nino! That is my turn.
Okay, let's go. Which one?
That's yellow.
Yellow?
And we're gonna get this Nino.
Get down from. What are you doing up there? Get down.
No, we're gonna get this Nino.
No, get down. Oh, we knocked his head off. Oh, we knocked him down. We won.
So proud. Don't take that. These are plans.
Oh.
There's a fight now.
Let's see.
But we can try Darth Vader.
Liam, get down. Here, I'll go first. I'll pick this one. This one.
Okay. Because
Yeah.
stop jumping in the sofa.
Yeah.
Stop jumping in the sofa. Stop jumping in the couch, Nino. Then you drop. That's your Luke's turn. It's my turn.
It's Luke's turn.
Can I pick I want to pick the Nino car. What? I want to pick this Ultra. Hey, let's do this. I'm gonna be the
Bottle.
Nino bottle.
Which one, Luke?
I want the excavator. It must be cool.
No! Ah, sorry, Luke.
It's a booster.
Bottle. Which one?
White blue.
Oops.
Can catch this one? I'm gonna be mine.
Yes.
I see it. Red inside.
Ah, now Nino's turn. Luke's your turn. Bottle. Luke, bottle. Yeah, which one? This one? Yeah. This one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a train car. You can. Oh, this is hard to control. Oh, this is so hard to control. Oh.
Next turn, that's turn, then Luke's turn.
Yes.
Daddy's turn.
Yes.
Got to fill down. I think that has got filled down.